Craving something tasty? We've got just the thing. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, your go-to spot for quick, easy, and mouth-watering recipes from around the globe. Discover dishes that are elegant yet affordable. Perfect for any occasion. Ready to whip up something amazing? Subscribe now and join our foodie family. Let's get cooking.
You need to hear this if you're a seafood lover. Today we're making Peruvian ceviche that's so fresh and tangy, you'll feel like you're at the Peruvian coast. Ceviche is the heart and soul of Peruvian cuisine, and today we're making it authentically delicious. First, grab the freshest white fish you can find. Dice it into bite-sized pieces and place it in a bowl. Now the magic begins. Squeeze plenty of fresh lime juice over the fish, enough to cover it. Add finely chopped red onions, cilantro, and a touch of minced chili for that perfect kick. Let it marinate for about 15 minutes. The citrus will cook the fish, giving it an amazing texture and flavor. For a true Peruvian experience, serve your ceviche with sweet potato chips or corn. Trust me, this combo is a game changer. So, roll up your sleeves, dive into this recipe, and bring a taste of Peru to your kitchen. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Enjoy!
Hungry for some culinary magic? You're in the right place. Welcome to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. We're here to show you that cooking mouth-watering meals at home is easier than you think. From quick dinners to gourmet feasts, we've got you covered with step-by-step guides and tips. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty upload. Remember, happiness is life, so eat well, drink up, and be happy. Culinary Recipe Creations wants you to enjoy life, and food is a big part of that happiness. See you soon. Subscribe for more tasty recipes.